Think parenting's tough? Wait till you meet nature's wildest moms and dads. And don't forget to stay to the end, because in our number one spot, we learn about a mother who commits the ultimate sacrifice for her young. Hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Our journey into the bizarre begins in the warm, swaying kelp forests, where a creature defies expectations. This isn't just any father. This is a seahorse, and he's about to become a pioneer of fatherhood. Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional roles, because here, the male seahorse takes on the extraordinary burden of pregnancy. After an elegant courtship dance, the female deposits her eggs into a specialized pouch on the male's belly. This isn't just a casual handover, it's a carefully orchestrated transfer of responsibility. Within this protective pouch, the eggs are fertilized and nurtured, receiving oxygen and nutrients from the father's bloodstream. The male seahorse's dedication doesn't end with pregnancy. When the time is right, he'll go through a series of contractions, expelling hundreds of tiny offspring into the world. As the miniature seahorses drift off, embarking on their own perilous journeys, we're reminded that in the animal kingdom, fatherhood can take on truly astonishing forms. Journeying now to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, we encounter a creature that embodies the extremes of parental dedication, the emperor penguin. As winter descends, casting a perpetual twilight across the icy landscape, the female emperor penguin lays a single, precious egg. Her role for now is complete, and so begins the father's vigil. For 2 grueling months, he'll balance the egg on his feet, tucked beneath a warm fold of skin called a brood pouch. He huddles with other fathers, forming a tight-knit colony, a sea of black and white feathers against the blinding snow. They endure blizzards, starvation, and the ever-present threat of predators, all for the sake of their unborn chicks. They share the burden, taking turns at the colony's exposed outer edges, shielding each other from the worst of the elements. This extraordinary display of teamwork and sacrifice is a testament to the power of instinct, driving these birds to ensure the survival of their offspring. Finally, as the first rays of spring break through the long winter night, the eggs begin to hatch. The mothers return, laden with food from their ocean foraging, arrive just in time to witness the emergence of their chicks. The fathers, emaciated but triumphant, have fulfilled their duty. It's a heartwarming reunion, a celebration of life in the harshest of environments. The emperor penguin reminds us that even in the face of adversity, the bonds of family can prevail. Number 3, the cuckoo, master of deception. Our next encounter takes us from the icy plains to the vibrant tapestry of the forest, where a bird with a notorious reputation makes its home, the cuckoo. This avian trickster has earned a place on our list for its audacious approach to parenting, or rather, its lack thereof. The cuckoo is a brood parasite, a cunning manipulator that outsources the arduous task of raising its young. The female cuckoo, a master of disguise, observes other bird species, carefully selecting her target. With stealth and precision, she swoops in while the unsuspecting parents are away, removing one of their eggs and replacing it with her own. The deception is complete, and the stage is set for a ruthless act of survival. When the cuckoo chick hatches, it's often larger and more demanding than its foster siblings. Driven by an insatiable hunger, it instinctively pushes the other eggs out of the nest, eliminating any competition for the parents' attention and resources. The unwitting foster parents, oblivious to the deception, tirelessly feed and care for the cuckoo chick as if it were their own. The cuckoo's strategy, while seemingly cruel, is a remarkable adaptation for survival. By avoiding the energy expenditure of nest building and chick rearing, the cuckoo can lay more eggs, increasing its chances of passing on its genes. It's a stark reminder that in the natural world, survival often comes at a cost, and the cuckoo, for all its audacity, plays its part in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Number 4, United We Stand, the gray wolf's family affair. From the shadows of the forest, we emerge onto the windswept tundra, where a different kind of family unit thrives, the gray wolf pack. These intelligent and highly social animals demonstrate a remarkable approach to parenting, one built on cooperation, shared responsibility, and unwavering loyalty. Within a wolf pack, raising pups is not just the role of the parents. It's a collective effort that involves every member of the pack. From the alpha pair, the pack's leaders, to the lowest-ranking individuals, each wolf plays a vital part in ensuring the survival of the next generation. The alpha female, the pack's matriarch, typically gives birth to a litter of pups in a den, a safe haven from the harsh elements. While she nurses and cares for her young during their early weeks, other pack members contribute by bringing back food, regurgitating partially digested meat to nourish the growing pups. As the pups grow stronger, they venture outside the den, exploring their surroundings under the watchful eyes of their elders. Aunts, uncles, and even older siblings take turns playing with the pups, teaching them essential skills like hunting, stalking, and social interaction. The pups learn valuable life lessons from every member of the pack, ensuring that they're well prepared to face the challenges of adulthood. The gray wolf's cooperative parenting style is a testament to the power of community. It reminds us that raising a family isn't always a solitary endeavor. Sometimes it takes a village, or in this case, a pack, to ensure the success of future generations. Number 5, the octopus's ultimate sacrifice. Our final journey takes us to the depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature whose dedication to motherhood borders on the mythical, the octopus. These intelligent and solitary cephalopods display a level of parental sacrifice that is both awe-inspiring and heartbreaking. The female octopus, after meticulously selecting a safe haven to lay her eggs, embarks on a journey of self-sacrifice that will define the rest of her life. She attaches her eggs, often numbering in the hundreds of thousands, to the roof of her den, forming delicate strings that resemble translucent grapes. From this moment forward, her sole focus is the well-being of her offspring. She ceases to hunt, venturing out only to defend her den from potential predators. As weeks turn into months, the female octopus slowly weakens. Her body, depleted of energy reserves, begins to deteriorate. Her once vibrant skin fades. Her eyes lose their sparkle. Yet, her devotion never wavers. She continues to guard and care for her eggs, even as her own life force dwindles. Finally, as the eggs begin to hatch, releasing a cloud of tiny, perfectly formed octopuses into the water, the mother succumbs to exhaustion. Her life has come to an end, but her legacy lives on in the countless offspring she has brought into the world. The octopus's ultimate sacrifice is a poignant reminder that in nature, the bonds of motherhood can transcend even the most fundamental instinct: self-preservation. It's a testament to the enduring power of life, a cycle of birth, death, and renewal that plays out in the depths of our oceans. There you have it, tribe. Our top 5 weirdest parents in nature. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments and tell us what top 5's next. Loved this? Smash that like, sub to high 5 tribe, and ring the bell. More wild rankings are on the way. Stay curious and catch you in the next one.